This highly efficient automated dishwasher inner drum roll seaming line you see is a benchmark case successfully delivered and operating stably at our client's site. It precisely addresses long-standing core bottlenecks such as labor-intensive operations and inconsistent cycle times. By automating critical processes, it significantly boosts single-shift capacity, optimizes production rhythms, and dramatically enhances seaming consistency. Critically, the core strength of this line lies in a highly flexible modular design. Automation level, workstation configuration, process flow, can all be deeply customized and flexibly adjusted based on your specific needs, e.g. product dimensions, cycle time requirements, space constraints, budget, ensuring perfect adaptation to diverse production scales and product types for flexible manufacturing. Want to see how this line can supercharge your factory, slash costs, and elevate competitiveness? Contact us anytime for detailed solution consulting.